Guys, so Elijah just came up to me. He said he hurt his tooth, and I look, and look, put your head down. Like, hold on. Wait, don't move. Look. Why?
Ow.
Let me see, are they loose?
Ow.
They are. What does that mean? Babe, babe, they're loose. The baby teeth. What does that mean?
That means.
But he's only 5.
So?
That means that it was this. Smack its butt. It was all.
Lunchtime. It's lunchtime. He's cutting his own hot dog. Okay. Look at this big boy.
Hi guys, I'm a professional.
Yes, ma'am. You don't beg, okay? Like, don't.
Her wants a hot dog.
Yeah, I gave her one.
You already gave her one?
Mm-hmm.
And her wants another one.
Being greedy.
Yeah.
Elijah does not like ketchup or mustard.
Oh, and don't get hot sauce. But
How's your dog?
hot dog.
I want to know, guys, how do you guys make your hot dogs? Do you boil them? Or do you microwave them? I need to know.
My microwave.
Shit, you lucky I didn't make you fry them.
Excuse me?
I know.
I missed.
Oh,
Oh, okay. Guys, look. It was literally sunny, then raining. I mean, then dark. It got super dark. We're about to go run in the rain.
No! I'm not going there.
We're all gonna go.
What?
You, me, and Daddy.
No! I'm not getting this dirty.
Why? Is it special?
My Michael shirt.
It's your what? Your Michael Jackson shirt?
Yeah, I'm not getting wet.
What's so special about it?
It's special because it gives you superpowers.
Who gave it to you? Aww. Yo, how that tacos though? Yo, babe, let's go run out there before it stops. Come on. Did you clear spider webs? Did you clear spider webs?
They're clear now.
He's such a dweeb.
4 hours later.
Just go. Wow, little baby.
Bye, little daddy.
We're about to play a game.
Dad.
What happened, you little crybaby? He's calm.
You can do it.
No, let's play a game and whoever loses goes out there.
Alright, what game?
I don't know, whatever game you want to play.
They gotta be fast, because...
Uno?
How about who don't get to castle goes outside?
Now you're gonna get sick. Cause
a waterfall out there.
Why was your shirt up like that? I'm leaving it in, just so you know.
Let's play a game. Don't get to.
No, I'm not going.
Why not?
Your hands are wet.
No, it's
Don't touch
not.
my camera. Come on. I don't have any pants on.
Hurry up. That water was cold.
Who
At a weird angle.
loses goes outside.
Go!
Oh, that is thundering.
Oh, you got it when it was not raining. You it just stopped.
No, it was still drizzling. I'm wet.
Not like me.
Hey guys, so we are out and about. I think the last time that I vlogged, G was on vacation still. So that's what you guys just saw probably. So I'm just going to finish up the vlog with like what we're doing now. G's doing something right now. And we were gonna wait for him, but it's like a little hot in the car and I don't know how long he's gonna be. So we're gonna go, there's this new store that we have in our area called Gabe. So we're gonna walk over there, and I would drive, but it's like right over there. So I'm not gonna walk. I mean, I'm not gonna drive. I'm gonna walk, you know, get my exercise in.
Yeah,
So,
me too.
Him too. So let's go. We're window shopping. I forgot that Elijah has pajamas on because he insisted on wearing them. So this is fun. So we're going over here.
Yeah,
So that store, Gates.
Oh, the car.
So
Sorry, guys.
look at you. Sorry, the sun's like right in my face. So I don't know what's in here, but I keep seeing ads for it, and it says like furniture and like clothing. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna
Toys from here. Transformers. I bought them from here. So
I think you went to Ross.
No, I went to Gates right now.
Oh, okay.
Believe me.
Look at the
It's for like
shoes.
guys
Okay.
work thing. So he can go work.
Yeah. Look, I need a new bed set, guys.
Yeah. Or you can get pink.
I know. Daddy might. Oh, but this one's nice.
With flowers. That's
$50.
you love purple.
Yeah.
Alright.
Look at this. I love that this is
And
chill.
Crocs.
Oh, look at this K.
Pink. Ow. Ow.
Oh, you okay? What's
And
going on?
leathers. I like,
What's wrong with it?
I think. Ow. Ooh.
Somehow we always find our way to the toy section, though.
I don't want to buy anything.
Yeah. This is pretty cool. Look. This is for swimming.
Yeah, like the bed.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Would you wear that?
bed.
Would you wear that?
Yeah, I would. Oh, look at this now.
That's pretty cool. We might come back for that. What are those? I feel like it. Gapes.
Gates?
Mm-hmm.
I never liked it.
You didn't like it?
Yeah, I do like it, but we should go in our stores.
So now we're just waiting outside of a store. Like, I don't know what store this is, and now I feel some type of way. Like,
We
they can
should
see
go
me
in that store and
vlogging.
sit
But
and
that
hang.
Gabe store is actually really nice, and it looked like it had like pretty decent prices. I saw like
Yes. Sorry.
Okay. I saw a Batmobile that he would have liked. It was like a newer one that he has, and
yeah,
it was
but
only
I
16.
wanted it.
Okay, shush. It was only $16.99, which I feel like somewhere else would have been way more, because I'm pretty sure we paid way more for the one that he has. But yeah, so I don't know what we're gonna do now. Okay, so we're where we are, and G is all the way over there somewhere, like over there. We just walked out of Michael's.
No.
Elijah, stop cutting me off. Daddy's over there.
Oh.
We just went into Michael's, and seriously, going in there, I just wanted to buy everything because they have all their fall stuff out, all this decor, this fall decor, and I just
But
wanted.
someone didn't find the board.
Oh yeah, I was looking for this first day, like the first day of school chalkboard, because I was too late last year and had to make my own.
But
you guys remember? Oh, Daddy. Hello. We're actually sitting outside of
a store.
between Michael's and Old Navy. You're done? We were just walking. Hey guys. So I did that vlog when we went out, and then I never ended the vlog. So I'm just gonna end it now. I don't even remember what day it was. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed all those clips together, whatever they were. I'm gonna get back on my vlogging schedule, so don't worry, vlogs are coming. Let me know if you guys have any video suggestions, whether it's a mukbang, whatever, one of them, a sit down video, an update video, or just vlogs. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.